Hello and welcome. Now that we have learned how to perform customer-wise sales analysis, let's see how we can look at the other two reports, which are brand-wise, month-wise sales report and customer-wise, brand-wise sales report. However, before we proceed, I wanted to point out one thing that in terms of those customers which are doing very less sales or less business with you, you have to have a qualitative analysis of that. For example, let's say we consider this particular customer, which is Fusion Corporation, and although they are doing just $4,000 business in the entire year with you, they may be a huge corporate and are potential of doing big business with you. So such qualitative analysis or qualitative feedback needs to be used while doing such analysis, and you need to put in plans to handle such customers. So let's come to the brand wise month wise report, and I have already sorted this report in descending order of the total sales done for each brand. As you can see, Betty has done almost 94% of her sales from one brand. So we can practically say that she is basically this brand salesperson, which is a good news because then she has a lot of scope to improve or do more sales using other brands. For example, if she is having lots of customers who are systems customers, then she can sell complementary products like this or any other product which can go along with that product and increase her sales. So this could be one way of looking at brand wise sales report, whereby you can see what are the other complementary products that can be sold to a customer who is buying a lot of one type of product. In order to do such an analysis, the second report becomes very important, which gives you customer wise, brand wise report. So let me quickly sort this report in descending order of the total customer sales. I'm going to click on data, sort, select grand total and largest to smallest. I would also do one thing. I selected the entire column by clicking on the column name, right click there, click on cut, come to the column before which you want to insert this column, right click and insert cut cell. So this becomes easy for us to look at the customer total. So looking at these customers, you can judge that which other products can be sold. This is once again a qualitative analysis whereby you need to know the customer's business model and see which other products will fit into their business model and promote accordingly. You can also use our previous report of customer wise sales report, and let's add one column here, incremental business. So we worked out some incremental business based on our frequency and average, and I'm going to use a formula here. So the target sales minus the current sales is what is the incremental business we are expecting from these customers. So I did pay special and I'm using formula as the option. I'm going to click OK. I did that because I don't want to copy this highlighting over here. The other option that we could have used is formulas and number format. So if you use that, then we don't have to redo the number formatting. So this incremental business that we thought of in the previous analysis, we can tie this along with the other two reports, whereby we can see that incremental business can be derived out of additional brand or new product from those customers. So now you can see that all these three reports need to be analyzed in conjunction with each other, and you have to figure out what you can do best in order to upsell, in order to increase the breadth, and in order to increase the depth of sale within a customer.